Here at Rapid Development Services, we've been building custom automation equipment for almost 30 years. A lot of times people come to us looking for cutting-edge technologies to give them a competitive advantage in the global market today, and that's what we deliver. The system we have today here automates the packaging operations of K-Cups. So this system handles all different types of K-Cup designs, from smooth-sided to rib-sided to hybrid-sided, flat bottom to concave bottom K-Cups. So all of those are fed from bulk hoppers automatically, and on demand, the user can upload a recipe for the variety of flavors that need to be put in a box, or it can pack all of the same flavors into a box. It has extreme flexibility not only from the different K-Cup types, but also flexibility in the case sizes. So we have 10 count all the way up to 100 count that we can automatically pack. It's almost an endless array of different varieties you can pack into a box with this system. On this particular system, we're able to run 1,200 K-Cups a minute, or in terms of cases per minute, that's about 30 cases per minute. Running 5 times faster with probably 20% of the labor support you need to run the line is what really helped our customer justify this technology. It also brought them up to a space where they can not only meet today's demand, but handle future demand for the technology that we're delivering to them. A lot of the technologies we provide to the market allows customers to have a substantial return on their investment, from improvements in quality, reduction of operational costs, or increasing throughput on the line. In some cases, we have returns on investment that are a 1-year payback, which is a very attractive opportunity for a lot of manufacturers, because that's like going to the bank and saying, hey, here's my $10,000 I want to put in the bank. I need 100% interest on that year after year. It's a very attractive opportunity.